Okay, so for this part of the video, we're going to be talking about adding text. And so the text button is right here in the lower right hand corner. So I can click that. When I click that, you can see down here in the timeline there's this little purple thing. That's the text that I'm adding. And so I'm going to add text here called Martian. This is an old TV show that I used to watch when I was younger. Picture of it. Okay, so then I think text is nice to have for a dissection video, because maybe instead of Martian you might have lungs, and you might want to bring a little line over that points to the Martian or lungs. So with the text, you could see there's different fonts here that you could use. It's a little bit different than normal, but you'll get used to it pretty quickly, I think. So the other important thing is that if I want this label of Martian to be here for the entire time of my video, that this picture is here, then I have to go down to my timeline and I have to extend my text for the time of that picture. So I had some video here. I cut the video, I inserted my picture, my image right here, and I'm going to have my text on during the image time, and then I have some more video. And remember, I had cut out the audio there. I replaced it with my own, but I took that out. So let's see how things go. Okay, I moved my little marker just back a second or so that we could see how this works. So there's the video. You can see it's moving. And then it should cut to the image, which has my text there. And the image and text are there throughout. Let's speed this up a bit. And then you will see that at the end of the image, hopefully, it comes with a video again with no text. Excellent. So then, similarly, if in this text, or the video part, I want to put some text over the actual video, I could do that as well. And just type it in here, so everybody knows that I'm back on the video. Hit my select tool, move this to a little less obvious place, down there, center it, okay. My second video is here, my second text box, sorry, is here, so I'm going to let it go for a ways. So if I move my marker back just a tad, you'll see that it's the image, it's video with no text, then my... Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up on how to input text. As you see, when you do click the text button, there are some bubbles here that you could use for background. A little bit tricky, each bubble is a layer, and so you have to put that layer in, and then on top of the layer put the text. But you could play around with that and if you need to, and so that ends this video.